today I'm going to show you how to make your very own McDonald's. If you don't have the things you need to make this, or you already have a McDonald's toy, then you can just watch. First, you will need a building. This building will need 2 shelves, a sign that can be removed, and a place for your drive-thru. First, let's start with the sign. Remove your sign. Then make your own very McDonald's sign. You can see I used my Little Woody's health center, and I just made the McDonald's logo right here, and I wrote McDonald's. After you've done that, you can put it back. Next, you will need 2 signs here. So I have 2 signs. For one, you will need 2 of them. You can either have 1 or 2. 2, it's okay. I have 2. So the first one is the sign from the health center, and it had to show the doctor or the dentist, but I changed it. So I made a "I'm loving it," so you can either have it on your slogan or a random logo. I just did a random logo with a burger on it. But I'm just going to I'm just going to do "I'm loving it." You can skip this part if you don't want to, but it's really fun and creative. And you will also need a open and close sign. Right now we're going to put it closed, so you could put it at the door there. So that way if you put it somewhere else, your customers will probably miss it. So if you put it on the door, your customer will notice and they won't come in. Let me just get it on the door. Nice. So hard. Oh my god, I had it on the wrong side. Okay, let's just get that right. There we go. There's our close sign. And if your building has a swing sign like mine, just cover it up with their logo. So like here, I put the M on both sides so people can know it's McDonald's. Next, let's create our drive-thru. You can see I already made the drive-thru. It's really easy. So first, you are going to need to make your menu. So I already made a menu there, and I just put like cheeseburger, Big Mac, apple pie, drinks, large, small, and then the McDonald's in the corner, and Happy Meal, And then you can either make a copy or just make another one. I just copied it, and then so that way people, and then just tape it. I just taped it to an awning right here, you can see, and then right over here I taped it. And then this is going to be the order station, and then they drive all the way around to the other side where there's a window, perfect for taking out stuff. Now let's start doing the inside. Here's the inside, and just so you know, you will also need 2 shelves, but if you don't, that's okay, but just skip the shelving part. Alright, let's start with a kitchen. For this, you will need to find some perfect kitchen supplies. I'm using Countryside Cottage from Little Woody's stuff, like the sink, this fridge, and this oven. This little thing here. Now put your stuff over on either side that you want. I'm putting the sink right here, so that way it's easy to get to the drive-thru, and the fridge and the stove will just block it. And I'm just going to slide the stove right over here. And I'm also going to put the fridge right over here. Perfect. Next, find a small high chair you can use. just for babies, just in case you want some babies that are coming to McDonald's. So I have this little high chair here. That's also from the Country Side Cottage. And then next, you will need a little thing to, you know, like a little tray to give food up to customers. I'm going to be using the Health Center little pushy thing that brings breakfast in bed. I'm going to be using that to eat. Next, we're gonna need some accessories for the kitchen. So let's start on these hangers. You can see I have two little hangers. You can skip this part. Now, just next, you're going to need an apron, and it'll just be dark for a second, just so I can tie it, because you're going to need to tie it to put it on your hook. So you can see I have mine tied. So let me just put it on the hook. There we go. Next, you can use a little chef's hat. I'm just using it's not actually a chef's hat, but I'm just going to be using it as that. And then you just hang it on the other side. Next, let's get some more accessories for the kitchen. I have this little plate thing with some plates. You're going to need that. And just put wherever you want. I'm just going to put this on here for now. There we go. Next, you're going to need to put some stuff on the top of the fridge. So, some food. So, we're just going to find some random stuff for McDonald's. Like, I'm using the Shopkin for the burger. 3 sardines for fries, because I couldn't find any toy fries, so I just used some sardines. And I have this old little gummy burger to use for the Big Mac. So, yeah, and then just place your food on top of just put it wherever you want. Just put your food wherever you want. There we go. And I'm just gonna put this little Shopkin on top. Perfect. Next, we're going to need some drinks. I'm going to be using 2 cans from my Woody's Farmer Market for some sodas. You can either have it like Coca-Cola or some Pepsi, but I'm just going to use this Coke and Pepsi. And I also have some other drinks. I've got these 2 little bottles from the Farmer's Market, Woody's Farmer's Market, for grape juice and apple juice, and for the kids, 2 jugs of milk. Next, we're just going to place it wherever you want. I'm just going to place it on top of here. So let me just... Oh my god. Well, I'll just put these, oh my god, I'm just so clumsy. Alright, I'll just pick this up and we'll just move on to the next step. Alright, so it's looking better. Next, we're gonna need someone as a chef. So I have this little people, Alice in Wonderland, and she is going to be working in the kitchen. Let me just get a few more accessories for the kitchen. I've got for this little stove, a little pan and pot for the frying, and a bag of flour in case they run out of bread. They can use some flour. some other food they have to make some more stuff, or I guess they could just go like and get some stuff. There we go. There we go, it's starting to look better. Now we're going to do the shelves. So I have we're going to do for the high shelf some desserts. So I have find any random desserts. I'm going to be using some apple pie, cheesecake, and 2 apples for the apple pie. And then for the lower shelf, I'm just going to be using a little basket and 3 little muffins for breakfast and for chicken nuggets. Let me just place them in there. I've also got this hot cross bun and this loaf of bread. So the bun can be used for buns for burgers or breakfast. I'm just going to place that right over here. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Perfect. Well, we're going to run out of time soon, and I have very strict things about a too long video. So I'll see you guys, and I'll be making another part on making your own McDonald's. It's question time. So, do you remember what was on the sign? Was it a slogan and a logo? Another McDonald's sign, or a menu? Please put your answer in the comments and have a great day.